and welcome to BC Academy. Today we will do lecture number 3 of Heron's formula. As earlier we had studied about area and perimeter of scalene triangle, area and perimeter of isosceles triangle, right angle triangle as well as equilateral triangle. हमने भी बहुत सारा Heron's formula के triangles के बारे में सब कुछ कवर अप कर लिया. अब आगे एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स. स्क्वायर के बारे में बचपन से जानते आ रहे हैं कि स्क्वायर एक फोर साइडेड शेप है जिसकी सारी साइड क्या है, इक्वल. ऑल साइड्स ऑफ अ स्क्वायर आर इक्वल. ये ए है, ये भी ए है, ये भी है, ए है. ये 2 होगा तो ये भी 2, ये भी 2, ये भी 2. ठीक है. Whereas the diagonals bisect each other and the a square plus a square by Pythagoras theorem. Which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Then the BD value will be root 2a. BD is the diagonal. What is? It's diagonal. To find the measure of diagonal of a square, the formula is root 2a. To find the area of a square, its value is side into side, a into a e square. Whereas we need to find side of a square, then perimeter by 4, and it can also be area of a square can also be half into diagonal square. The value of area of square can be 2 also, area into half into d1 square. Now we will do first question related to area and perimeter of square. Here our question related to area and perimeter of square start. If the diagonal of a square is 46 meter, then find its area. So here we have a square ABCD. Its diagonal measures 46 meter. We need to find its area. In the last you had said that area of diagonal equals to, I had told that a equals to root a. So root a equals to diagonals equals to root a. So root a equals to 46 meter. Here as diagonal is written 46 meter, it is given in the question, and the value of a is the root a. Then what is the value of a? A is the side. Then a equals to 46 by root 2. This is the first method. Then 46 by root 2 into root 2. Then this is the first method. To find the area. To find the area, it is the first method. To find its area. A lighter. अदर मेथड, कोई और मेथड ये हो सकता है कि मैंने लास्ट में एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर के लास्ट में आप देखा था हमने एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू d1 होल स्क्वायर. सो हाफ इंटू 46 इंटू 46, हाफ इंटू 46 इंटू 46 इज इक्वल टू 1058 मीटर स्क्वायर. This was about area and perimeter of square, and we have also done a question related to it. Now we will move ahead. Now we had moved forward perimeter and area of rectangle. Now our second topic after perimeter and area of a square, we will talk about perimeter and area of a rectangle. This is a rectangle A, B, C, D, in which AB is L, so CD should also is L, because opposite side of a rectangle are always equal. So B equals to B here, and here the diagonals. To find the diagonal by Pythagoras theorem, its value will be root L square plus B square. Okay, so the diagonal formula is this. Whereas if we want to find the length, then area of rectangle is equal to length into width. So here we would put the length into width formula that we had got in the area, as area of a square is 46 meter and its width is 2, so its length is 23 meter. Same here area we will apply the breadth. Now we will talk about area and perimeter of rectangle, parallelogram. Then a parallelogram is a shape which has a pairs of parallel sides. कि AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD, where A is the height. Where A is the height, it is perpendicular and forming an angle of a 90 degree. So if we need to find the perimeter of this rectangle, then we will do AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is the perimeter of rectangle. It's the perimeter of rectangle. But if we need to find the area of a parallelogram, then we apply base into height formula is the area of parallelogram. स्टूडेंट्स आप एक बात नोट कर लो, पैरेललोग्राम को हम लोग इस साइन से भी दिखाते हैं, जैसे कि एक लाइन पैरेलल और उसका GM. अगर मुझे एक पैरेललोग्राम का एरिया मतलब निकालना है, ये फॉर्मूला नहीं इस्तेमाल कर सकते हम, तो हम हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, और जो कि ये है कि एक पैरेललोग्राम है ABCD, ठीक है, जिसमें AB की वैल्यू है A, BC की वैल्यू है B और AC की वैल्यू है D. तो अगर मुझे, और ये कुछ है, ये भी अगर A है तो ये भी A है, ये भी है तो B है, पर ये बात नोट करना कि हमें सिर्फ ABD का सम बाई 2 करेंगे और फिर उसका फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. ये यहाँ पे हम रूट के साथ सीधे S माइनस A, S माइनस B, S माइनस D वाला ही वाला, ठीक है. डायगोनल जो है पैरेललोग्राम का, D इज डायगोनल ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. सो हियर वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 2, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक ट्रायंगल, स्केलेन ट्रायंगल फॉर्म हुआ है. इस स्केलेन ट्रायंगल का हम एरिया निकालेंगे, फिर उसके बाद मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करेंगे तो पूरे पैरेललोग्राम का एरिया आ जाएगा. अगर हम ये इस फॉर्मूला का इस्तेमाल तब करेंगे जब we don't have the value of height. When we don't have the value of height, then we will apply the formula area equals to 2 multiplied by root S minus A, S minus B, S minus D, where semi-perimeter of the parallelogram is A plus B plus D by 2. Now we move ahead area and perimeter of rhombus. Now we will talk about perimeter and area of a rhombus. So here it is a rhombus. As we know that rhombus is a shape whose all sides are equal and the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. We had learned all this in the quadrilateral chapter that AC and BD are perpendicular and making here an angle of 90 degree. If we need to find perimeter and area of rhombus, then the area formula is half into D1 into D2 and side equals to half root D1 का square plus D2 का square. As D1, if we take an example, this is 6 centimeter diagonal, this is a 12 centimeter diagonal, and it has been said that we need to find the area. We need to find this value of the side. So the formula to find the side is half into root D1 का square plus D2 का square. Here half into D1 plus D2. D1 is the diagonal 1 का square plus D2 is the diagonal 2 square. If we need to find the perimeter, then the root of D1 whole square plus the D2 whole square multiplied by 2. This is the perimeter and area of a rhombus. But when we talk about area of trapezium, what? Area of trapezium. Trapezium is a shape which has a pair of parallel lines. So here I will take A and B, C, D. ठीक है, हमने यहाँ पे A, B, C, D लिया. मैंने इसे ले लिया a, इसे ले लिया b, और यहाँ e है मेरा, यहाँ a माइनस बी लिया मैंने, ठीक है। पहले हम इसका सेमी पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे, तो इसका आएगा s माइनस बी प्लस c प्लस डी बाई 2, सेमी पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ ट्रेपेजियम, a minus b plus c plus d by 2, and we need to find its area. Then area of a trapezium in this condition is half into h into a plus b. This is the normal trapezium formula, and if we need to find the height of the trapezium, then its formula is 2a minus b under root s minus a plus b, s minus c, s minus d. First of all, to find the height, and if we need to find its area, you will write here. If we need to find its area, then we should write a plus b, a minus b in the root. Everyone please continue writing s under bracket s minus a plus b, s minus c, s minus d, this whole in the bracket. This is the area formula of a trapezium. I think it's clear to you till here. That's all for today. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my video. If you like it, then please share to everyone. Thank you.